bitch, cause I always get my win on. I've been on so many different stages. Race the cover up.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl Mari back for another video. I hope you missed me. If you didn't, I don't care. Anyways, so yes, this lighting, I don't know if you can see it in my shades, but it's bootleg because I literally just pulled a lamp from the living room and plugged it up in my kitchen. There you go. That's what you call that bootleg YouTube style. All right. So let's get started with the video. So anyways, today we're doing slime, right? So let's. Oh, I did not mean to play that. All right, we're gonna make slime, and since we don't know how to do it, we're gonna Google it. And my computer's right here. This is why I'm leaning over here. Okay. So let's make slime with glue. I know I have all the ingredients. I just have to mix them together. Wow, now that I realize how stupid I sound, I'm just gonna go ahead and get what I need and close my computer down because there's no reason for it.
Oh, look at the.
All right. Ooh. She left a sausage in that dress. Anyways, I'm sorry. I'm watching Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, and I don't want to exit it because just exit because I'm gonna watch it after this. All right, hold on. Dang it, Martin isn't on. Okay, we're gonna watch. I do not want to watch Meet the Browns. We're just gonna put Teen Titans Go on for now. All right, so let's go. I have the ingredients. Now I just need a bowl to mix it in. And what we're gonna do is get that bowl really quickly. I'll be back. All right, so we got I got a plastic cup because I don't feel like washing dishes, and this is disposable. My favorite color is blue. So let's go, right? Got the cup, we got the baking soda.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
The glue and the secret ingredient. And you know, I'm gonna start out with the glue. I don't know what I'm doing. But it's light. You know? L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S, yeah. G-L-A-N. Anyways, just gonna open up that nozzle on that thing like that. And you know, y'all gotta see what I'm doing or whatever. I'm like, hopefully when I mix it, it comes out of the cup. I'm not finna make like a lot of slime. Ah! Oh. All right, there you go. That's that. And then we're gonna mix that baking soda in there. I don't know how to put. I'm just gonna do what it do. All right, and then all right, the secret ingredient that nobody can see, right? Right. Okay. Just gonna mix a little bit of that in there. And mix it together with something. I don't know what to use. Did I use a fork? We're gonna use a plastic fork. Hold on, I'll be back. I got that plastic fork, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix it together. And look at that, it's already became like a glob of, oh wow, that's crazy. I think that's good enough. Yeah, that's definitely good enough. It's very grainy though and drippy. I'm just gonna try. No, okay, it's not working. Ugh. And it's not. Okay, I think I put too much in there. All right. Yeah, it's just like not even. And then when I pull it, it's coming up. Oh yeah, we're gonna redo that. Okay. So you got your glue. Just gonna pour a little bit of that this time. All right. Yeah, I put like way too much freaking powder in there. Okay, why is this not working? All right, anyways. I'm not gonna put a lot of powder, just a little bit, okay. And then that secret ingredient. And we're gonna mix that together. Oh yeah, this is like way better. All right, there we go. It's becoming thick.
Thicker than a Snickers.
Oh, she thick. You know what? We're just gonna accept it, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and... Oh, I don't want it on my hand. It's sticky. Yo, and it's not... Failed horribly. All right, let's go. Sis, you're not. I can't touch it without... Hold on. I'm trying not to get glue in my hair or whatever, you know, because I'm fierce like that. All right. We're just gonna put it, we're gonna put, yeah, we got glitter too. The heck? All right, I got glitter too, right? That's what the rave is, glitter and slime. Just gonna pour a little of that blue stuff in there. Oh, I poured too much. Okay, all right, that was a fail. Anyways, there you go. That's right? Oh, now it's like really sticky. Okay. This one was a fail too. Okay. And it just looks like failure. Like failure. Hold on. Exposure is an amazing thing, right? Yeah, I know. You see that? It's just getting sticky and like gloppy or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. It's kind of fun though, not even gonna lie. Okay. Fun stuff. This is too sticky to do anything with, honestly. Oh God. And it's getting messy. All right. Hold on, what are we? Slime. Woo. And it's stuck. Oh God, we're gonna. Oh wow. All right. It's a major fail. All right, hold on. Oh my God, no. Hold on. Yep, there we go. That's what I wanted. That good stuff. There we go. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I'm not gonna lie, like from here it looks really cool. On camera it just probably looks like I'm doing stupid stuff. Alright. Then we're gonna have to like wash. Oh God. Hold on. Okay. Okay, it's coming off better than I thought it would. Yeah, this is Amazing. Yo, what? It's a mess. Okay, it's not. It's not. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna come back to you when I get this off of my fingers because right now I'm not. It's not working for me. Oh! Alright, so I got the slime off of me and this is currently what the cup looks like. Boom. Yep, it's a mess, sis. Alright. It's a... Oh! Ugh. Yo! This junk stinks, man. I thought it would smell like glue or something. Alright, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed stupidness with young Jit Mari. And come back for more, okay? Alright, anyways, come back for more if you want to. You should subscribe. You know, because there's going to be more of me. You can't ignore it, huh? I'm here. You, me, against the world. Come back next week.